Hi guys, welcome to another episode of our home cooking series. So why I am saying our because this home cooking series will not only involve me, but it will also involve you. So if ever you are a person who loves home cookings or who advocate and campaigns about home cooking, or if ever you want to learn or you want to start home cooking, or lastly, if ever you are someone who wants to share some home recipes, please make this as your venue para ma-share ang inyong recipe. Before I proceed also, I would like to thank all the responses or positive responses I received from my previous videos. And for your comments and your suggestions, I'll take note of. Thank you even to my Japanese followers in Instagram nga nang comment yun in town even though they didn't understand and watch my YouTube videos. Thank you so much. And dili na nato dugayon, the person who will be sharing her recipe for today is like karaan na chuking nga vlogger usas mga haligi. Actually, one of the bloggers I look into, and for this ECQ, siya sa di akong ginatanaw, laban na yung mga stories kay prehaming magsigil lang yun siya gluto every day. But she is a pescatarian, so mo nang iyang recipe is very healthy. So mo nang I am so happy and so lucky that na-invite share sa iyang recipe. So, without further ado, more mag-program mo let's welcome Hershey. Hi, Hersh!
Hi everyone! Kumusta?
Doing good. Ikaw, kumusta?
I'm just here at home, same lang. Nothing's new actually because I've been working from home naman said before. So
Okay.
I got used to it na. So not a problem.
Ang imong flower business padayon ready hapon.
But medyo low jud ang sales no because very limited lang atong delivery. I can't deliver it sila and not all sa Cebu City kay I don't
Kaya
deliver.
mga lockdown.
Limited lang. So everyone is affected. So
Okay, so what are you going to share to?
right now, I'll be sharing two appetizer.
Wow.
Okay. And then I'll be doing a fettuccine seafood bolognese after.
Yes. Okay, sige. So for those nga nagtanaw di ay kay Hershey is like not eating meat. So mo nang seafood sige na to ang kwarto pagka.
Yeah,
That's your
I already
option.
that's pescatarian or pesco vegetarian or vegetarian if it matters. So I don't eat meat na since December. So let's go veggies.
Right.
So I'm gonna cut the ampalaya lang. It's very simple. I don't know if this salad is made of ampalaya, so it's kinda weird or ironic because pait biyang ampalaya it's bitter, but to turn it into a salad is something different. So I love this. This is the original recipe of my mom. So
Wow, thank you so much for sharing. Ang ampalaya, of course, silaw na siya, right?
Yeah, it's raw. I like it raw.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, because we're making a salad, no? So dapat raw lang siya, fresh ingredients. So we have our ampalaya here, and I have my mini bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see the ampalaya. Everyone could try this, no? Lamin is siya, bisag pait siya, but it's actually sweet because I'm gonna add some ingredients later on na siya. So atong secret ingredient, Doki, will add, mix ka na siya, you just need to put everything. So pineapple tidbits. You could use the pouch.
Oh.
Lang mix everything.
Yeah, including the juice.
Yeah, the juice. So no, the syrup itself is
Batog ang
already.
lamig.
Then let's add onions. This one. I'm a beauty blogger. Onions. Onion. Of course, ginger. Sliced ginger.
Okay.
And then squeeze of lemon.
Lemon, pwede rag limonsito.
Actually, Akira, if para medyo extra something social, I added the lemon, but I also have limoncito in here. So 3.
Okay, so lemon. Okay, yeah, lemon, yan limoncito pa yun.
Okay, squeeze it in, and then tomatoes, ripe tomatoes, ganon. Lami siya, sama sa gahing mo, lami. We could add salt, to taste lang, ganon lang. Pinch of salt. And mix lang, and then add the vinegar.
Masa ka nagkan ang vinegar?
2 tablespoons. Then mix lang, and we're done. Actually, ako ginabuhat ani after Dokies. Gibutan ako siya jar.
Mm-hmm. Siya ma-pickled.
Yeah, more sort of like that. It would last me for about a week. Kay appetizer siya. So, alam mo siya, like before you eat,
Wow.
you know.
Kaya I would say, galing, Murag, dapat ibutan sa siya sa fridge. Kaya Murag, lami siya kanon ka ng bugnaw. Murag,
Yeah,
atsara
but
ba?
actually, nakabugnaw na ni siya. So, let me try to taste. It's important to taste.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Lami good siya.
Okay, so I think we're good. Then let's proceed to the
Yes. Wow. Thank you. So
session.
let's, mana siya to ang ampal sa
Okay, so let's go to my very tiny kitchen. My gosh, tiny na siya. So we're gonna do a fettuccine seafood pasta or seafood bolognese actually. So I'm making the sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Sauce lang. Kaya manala ko luto sa noodles actually, sa pasta kanina. 10 minutes ago. So mag-add lang ko butter.
O sa nga type ng pasta mo hanggi gamit sa
Fettuccine.
okay. Yeah, before we
Okay, the ingredient added na. It was given to me by Lay Marate. Okay.
Hi,
Lay.
Lay.
Thanks for this.
Give me Lay. Share lang. Okay.
And then, actually, pwede na dyan siya fresh, Doki. Dapat fresh tomatoes. But since I have them, kanila
Ikaw, gamito ta na. Pero kung wala na siya, we can just use fresh tomatoes.
Yeah, much better nga fresh. Then I have the seafoods, squid and shrimp. Wala ko kapalit og kuan.
Mga usan na gidaghanon ana niya.
Tulo, apat ka shrimp o duha ka baby squid.
Okay.
Okay, single naman ta Doki. So, gamay ra kung lutuon. And garlic. So, ako na i-add ang garlic sa atong
sa butter. Okay.
Yeah. And I'm gonna add extra virgin olive oil later on.
Okay.
So,
diba?
The best part of the seafoods, dali na siya maluto compared sa meat, di ba? So, garlic lang ta. No need to use garlic lang ta.
Mga usan nakadaghan ng garlic.
Garlic is 6 cloves of garlic.
Okay, 6. Yes.
Okay, mag-add na ko og sa seafood. Ha?
Okay.
I'm gonna saute this.
With the garlic and butter?
Yeah, garlic and butter sounds. I'm gonna add some salt lang, pinch of salt. Gamay lang, pinch of salt na dyan para, you know, not so overwhelming. Diba man ta nag-adobo or something. And pepper.
Yes.
Gamay lang na pepper. Okay, chili flakes. I'm sure you like all of this, Doki, no?
Kaayo.
Yeah, and sesame seeds ganun ko na
Oh.
It's just my personal preference. Okay, daghan ako sesame seeds, so dapat gamitin. Sa atin
sige na pasta.
Sauce. Yeah. This one. The bolognese sauce, or wala na siya, fresh tomatoes would do.
Yeah, so magbunta kang bolognese sauce, mga pila ka tablespoon?
Mga 5 tablespoons.
Okay. So kung tomato siya, mga paano? Mga mga 8 ka tomatoes, ana.
Actually, depende na din siya ni mo, Doki. So, tansya lang siya. Good. I think we're good na, Doki.
Yay.
Ay, wait. Nadi ko i-add ang sili espada.
Okay. Excited ko.
Ang olive oil is after na because usually ang olive oil naman good is hindi siya kinalang i-heat kaya maguba ang iyang chemical components.
Wow, that's something I learned today.
Yeah, kaya diba ang olive oil is from salad dressing na dyan siya. Kaya once overheated ang olive oil, mapait na siya, Doki.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, so I need to add the olive oil na.
Okay.
Gamay lang, konti lang, mga 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon, pero napadami. That's why if you're making aglio-olio, medyo kay init ang imong pan, like medium heat lang siya. Okay. You know, sa aglio-olio, you'll be using
olive oil, yes.
Ma-burnt. Okay, mula yung components, medyo I've read it, na toxic daw siya sa body if heated kayo ang olive oil. So that's why it's perfect for salad lang. Mula di siya perfect for frying. Dapat fry na oil for frying.
Yeah, before you proceed, na ba kayo mga tips in cooking the pasta? Wala na.
Just follow the instructions sa label. But usually, yeah, kaya naka-indicate ka dito, but I cook this for more than mga 15 minutes. Gay siya, but right now, it's already al dente. So, I'm gonna add the sauce. Ito na yung sauce.
Wow, kalami, uwi.
Yes, Doki. As in, but mas lami ko, Doki. This is the seafoods bolognese. Diba? Okay, fine. Okay, guys, dara. Let me set.
Wow. Of course, yes.
So
Mas
ready
cheese
na ang
dayon.
atong seafoods. Fettuccine seafoods bolognese. So let me try. Maglaway sila, Doki.
Yes. Naglaway mangani ko.
You like
Yep.
this?
Yes.
So I'm gonna taste this now. I'm gonna devour it. Charot. So,
As in, dali na kayo to siya da.
yeah, but the fettuccine is also vegetarian siya nga pasta. So, yun.
Okay, okay. So, mga 15 minutes na yun. Yes, that was quick.
Yeah, then duha na ito nimo, no?
For your salad, what goes best with your salad? Ay, noon, kung vegetarian ka, that's enough. Pero ako kay mukaon man ko o kuan. Pero lamit to ang kuan, pineapple ang palaya salad with isinugba.
Oh, let me check. Actually, ang ampalaya, the appetizer ko siya, so that's why lamig dyan siya. Then, dili siya pait actually. So, I hope people would try it kay once you mix it well, di siya pait. Kay na may uban, mahadlok mo gud makaog ang palaya kay pait. But actually, it's not bitter. Once you turn it into a salad, it's actually good.
So, thank you so much again, Hirsch, for sharing your recipe. As in, thank you, Yug Kaayo. Because, again, guys, you should follow Hershey in her social media accounts. Yun, kay magsige siyang luto nga ito labanes yung IG story. So, party...
My IG is Serendipity1. So, spelling is Xerendipity, the number 1. That's my Instagram. For Facebook, just look for Hershey Kisses. That's my Facebook page. Or you could check my recipe sa akong blog, Foodelity.net.
Again, usa to siya?
www.foodelity, FOODELITY.net.
Okay. So that's it, guys. Ato kita mo follow na Hershey for more recipe.
If you wanna follow mga, kanan net siya, Doki, kanang kayang-kayang lutuin sa bahay. Kaya I'm not naman
Yes.
the professional kind. Since I'm alone,
because-
so medyo mga quick meals lang.
But really, I'm advocating na kanagaling we should cook lang kuan ka ng simple recipes. So when I say simple, ako ng quick recipes lang yun, balik ka ng dali lutoon, ang dali ra sa yun ang ingredients makitaan. So,
Yeah,
dili ka
on the
complicated.
And I hope stay safe, everyone. And I hope that you would learn to cook, Jude. Okay, it's hard this time, so just try your best. If you think you don't have the skills in cooking, we are very fortunate because there is YouTube. There are a lot of people posting online about the recipe, how to cook. You could start by simply following the instructions. It's very easy lang, guys. Even a grade school student could actually learn how to cook. So yun lang, just practice and keep watching videos.
Yep, that's it. Thank you so much, Hers. So, that's it, guys. But I think nasulti na ni Hershey ang tanan. So, again, for the main purpose of this home cooking series is for you or to encourage you to do home cooking. And if ever you don't know how, so hopefully this will be a venue for you to learn. And if ever you want to start with the basic, everything is in YouTube. Tanaw lang yun. Naarag yun tanan nga to. Bisag unsao, bisag like for this ECQ. And if ever malif naman ni siya, please do continue to do home cooking and please continue to stay home. Before I bid goodbye, don't forget to follow me in all my social media platforms, in Instagram, in Facebook, and in Twitter. It would be at Dookisave. That's DOOKIEXAVE. And in YouTube, hashtag The Dentist is Out. It's a very fresh channel, so that's why I'm making these videos para nani siya isulod. So please continue supporting and thank you so much again. Again, for home, keep healthy and bye.